Thought I'd do a quick tomato video. Was going to get this sooner. It's bunched out a little bit. This is a tomato plant. Got 2 suckers growing on it now. 3, one in the back I see now. Before it was just one tall plant with a clump of blooms tight in the center. Now they're expanding out. Look more like a flower than a tomato plant. Looks like possibly a sucker coming up right dead center now. So that'll hopefully grow up and hold the plant from breaking over. As far as I know, this is a Consolute Genovese, or supposed to be. Plant usually looks like that, and tomatoes like this. Be interesting to see how this progresses.